Hi, welcome to another screen printing tutorial brought to you by learnhowtoscreenprint.com. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing and demonstrating the RT2000 recirculating tank. Let's get started. The RT2000 is a system that filters and reuses press wash over and over again, making ink removal from screens, squeegees, flood bars fast, easy, and very cost effective. The RT2000 fits under your existing tank, washout booth, or similar enclosure. Let's go ahead and take a look under our washout booth. All you need is about 21 inches of clearance. The RT2000 holds about 15 gallons of press wash. We are currently using Albatross's Plastwipe. You can use Plastwipe or RSW. Both are recommended for plastisol inks. If you're going to be using UV or other graphic inks, Albatross's LUV works great. Simply fill the tank and connect your compressed air source to the regulator. We have the regulator down here, okay? And you set the pressure to your desired level. This controls the speed in which the chemicals will flow through the brush. 15 to 20 psi works well for me. So we're going to go ahead and turn on our air compressor and begin a demonstration. Once the compressor is turned on, you will turn on the valve. And as you can hear, chemicals begin to circulate throughout the system. Let's go ahead and take a look in the washout booth. And we can start cleaning our squeegees here. I've got the pressure set to 15 to 20 psi. As you can see, works great. I like to keep it low pressure, that way there's not a lot of press wash splashing out or splashing back everywhere. And with the flow through brush, you can get in the nooks and crannies of the squeegees and flood bars. Make sure you get all that ink out of there. Rotate it. One of the great things about a recirculating tank is that you can use the press wash as liberally as you want. The dirty solvent goes back into the tank, drops down through the washout booth, gets filtered through the filter chamber, and then it comes back through the flow-through brush. See that? It's coming out nice and clean. You're not wasting anything. You should just make sure that you scrape all the excess ink off of your screens and squeegees. That way you can save the ink to use again later and prolong the solvency of the press wash and the life of the filter. Okay, I got a little bit more over there. See that? You can use the flow-through brush to get right up in the edge of the squeegees or in the corners of the screens. Okay, so we'll wash some of that plastisol ink back down into the tank there. Okay, and that's it. We can just set this squeegee to the side, let it dry. The Plastwipe evaporates very quickly, so before long we can use this. I'm going to go ahead and set this over here and let it dry. Okay, and come back over here. And we will turn off the valve. And so now the Plastwipe is not flowing through the flow-through brush anymore. Okay, and let's drop back down and take a look at the RT2000. I'm going to turn off my air compressor so we can hear me. Okay, so as the filter begins to clog, you will need to increase the pressure on the regulator down here. Okay, when you get to about 50 psi for the system to operate, it's time to change the filter. Simply turn off the air supply, release any remaining pressure, remove the cap on the filter chamber, and replace the filter. Okay, once you get the filter replaced, just put the cap back on and connect the air supply and get back to work. Eventually, the press wash will lose its potency and need to be replaced. Yeah, so screens, they can be cataloged and you can just let them air dry. Let's move over to a washout booth or a dip tank for reclaiming. Okay, so this is the tray that came with my RT2000. You just set it down here. And it will catch a lot of ink that's coming down from the washout booth. This is the old one, or excuse me, the old way it came. The tray no longer comes with the RT2000. Now it comes with a catch basket that you line with your own screen mesh. That way you can catch a lot of this plastisol ink that's coming down there. That will prolong the life of your filter. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, the RT2000 is normally used with press wash that do not have to be flushed with water. If someone uses to use a screen wash or ink degradant, which contain surfactants in the RT2000, the screen must be flushed with water after that. Thank you for watching this product review and demonstration of the RT2000 brought to you by Albatross. The RT2000 is a great tool to have in your shop to clean ink off of your flood bars, squeegees, and screens. For more screen printing tips and tutorials, visit learnhowtoscreenprint.com. Until then, happy printing.